Hello, beautiful souls. Today, you're not just watching transformations. You're about to witness 10 women who walked into this room feeling emotionally drained by life and walked out carrying a completely different energy. Not because a haircut magically fixes everything, but because sometimes, when you spend years surviving, giving, sacrificing, and constantly taking care of everyone else, you slowly stop feeling connected to yourself. And most of the time, nobody notices it happening. Because these women still smile, they still show up, they still handle responsibilities every single day. But deep down, many of them haven't truly felt confident, soft, or happy inside themselves for a very long time. Some of these women haven't changed their hair in years. Some stopped putting effort into themselves completely. Not because they stopped caring, but because life became exhausting. And when life becomes exhausting, women often become experts at carrying emotional weight silently. Look at them before the transformations begin. The nervous laughter, the hesitant smiles, the way some of them keep fixing or hiding their hair out of habit. And the saddest part is, a lot of them walk in already expecting disappointment. Like they've spent so long feeling disconnected from themselves, they forgot what confidence even feels like anymore. One woman says she almost canceled her appointment 3 times. Another admits she hasn't felt excited about herself in years. And another quietly says she can't remember the last time she did something completely for herself. And honestly, that's what makes moments like these emotional. Not beauty, not appearance, the feeling behind it. The feeling of finally allowing yourself to matter too. Then, the transformation begins. The cape goes on. The scissors move. Hair begins falling to the floor. And little by little, something in the room starts shifting. One woman who walked in emotionally closed off suddenly starts smiling non-stop during the haircut. Another keeps staring into the mirror throughout the process, almost shocked seeing herself slowly come back to life. And another gets emotional during the hair wash, because she says she forgot how good it feels when somebody takes care of her for once. And that moment hits deeply, because so many women spend their entire lives being the caretaker, the helper, the strong one, the reliable one, the person everyone depends on. But very rarely do they allow themselves to receive the same care they give to everybody else. And slowly, you start seeing the emotional heaviness disappear from their faces. Their posture changes. Their smiles become more natural. Their eyes begin shining differently, like years of stress and exhaustion are slowly lifting off their shoulders. One woman suddenly starts laughing louder and louder during styling, and everyone around her notices how different her energy feels already. Another says she feels lighter emotionally, not physically. And another keeps touching her hair with tears in her eyes because she says she finally feels beautiful again. And honestly, that's the real transformation. Not looking younger, not looking perfect. Feeling alive again. Feeling connected to yourself again. Feeling confident enough to actually see yourself again. Then comes the reveal. The chair turns. The mirror faces them. And suddenly, everything becomes emotional. One woman immediately covers her mouth and cries. Another bursts into tears before anyone even says anything. And another just stares silently at herself, completely overwhelmed by what she's feeling inside. Because what they're seeing isn't just hair. It's the version of themselves they thought life had taken away. The confident version, the softer version, the happier version. the version buried underneath years of stress, routines, survival, and emotional exhaustion. One woman says, "I haven't felt this good about myself in years." And hearing that, you realize how long some women go without truly feeling good inside their own skin. Another says she finally recognizes herself again. And another can't stop smiling because she says she forgot she could still feel pretty. And maybe that's why these transformations touch so many people around the world. Because deep down, so many women understand what it feels like to slowly lose parts of yourself while trying to survive everyday life. To become so focused on responsibilities that you stop seeing yourself completely. And then, someone they love walks in. A daughter, a husband, a best friend. And suddenly the room becomes even more emotional, because the people who love them can see the difference immediately too. Not just physically, emotionally. These women look brighter, lighter, more alive. Like a version of them that disappeared years ago suddenly returned. One husband instantly starts crying when he sees his wife smiling confidently again. A daughter hugs her mother tightly and says she hasn't seen her look this happy in forever. And another friend just stands there speechless, completely overwhelmed by the change in her energy. And honestly, those reactions say everything. Because this was never really about appearance. It was about healing something emotionally, about finally choosing yourself after years of putting yourself last, about remembering that you deserve care too, joy too, confidence too. And maybe, while watching this today, you realize you've been needing that reminder too. Maybe you've been carrying emotional exhaustion nobody notices. Maybe you've been surviving for so long that you forgot you deserve softness too. So let these women remind you of something important. You are allowed to choose yourself. You are allowed to want confidence again. You are allowed to feel beautiful, alive, happy, and connected to yourself again. Not later, not after life becomes perfect. Now. Because sometimes, the smallest decision to finally prioritize yourself can awaken parts of you that have been quiet for years. And sometimes, the most powerful transformations have nothing to do with changing who you are. They happen the moment you finally remember you matter too.